Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to complete the Easter egg on Ashes of the Diamond in Black Ops 7 Zombies. So this guide is going to cover the essential steps that you need to follow so that you can finish the quest even if you are playing solo. So Ashes of the Damned has a story-based Easter egg that requires powering up the map, activating the ritual zones, and completing the main fight. So to begin with, you just have to turn on the generators in all three maps section. Now each of the generators unlocks a new part of the facility, and it also lets you access the ritual circles. The next thing that you need to do is to simply collect the three elements cores. The spawns in the burning country yard after clearing a wave. Another appears in the abandoned warehouse once you interact with the control panel. And the last one is dropped by the mini boss that spawns around round 10. So you can place all of the cores inside the central reactor room. So once the reactor is charged, you will unlock the final sequence. You can interact with the console and prepare for a survival phase where you defend the room from the elite enemies. When the reactor hits full charge, the boss appears. Keep rotating around the arena, damage the weak points that glow during each phase, and finish the final beast sequence to complete the Easter egg. So that's how you can complete the Ashes of the Diamond Easter egg in Black Ops 7 Zombies. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.